Hi, hello there, and welcome to another video there, physics students. In this video, would like to show you how to use the built-in equation editor in Google Docs to help you turn in your homework assignment. Okay, so when you turn in a physics homework assignment to us, we're not going to be collecting all of your homework. Okay, so you're not going to have to do this for all of your homework, but anything you turn into us, you're going to have to use equation editor to make it look pretty and to show your work. All right. So I thought I would just give you some helpful hints here, give you some free points on the way as we're doing this. Okay. This is your conversions assignment, and that's due Sunday. And in this conversions assignment, well, you got to do some conversions. I thought I'd show you how to use the equation editor to show the solution to this problem. So in this problem, we're converting 27 pounds per square inch to kilograms per square meter. All right, hopefully I've got this zoomed in enough you can see this. So I'm going to go to Insert and then Equation. All right, and then that brings up this little box. All right, now the very first thing you do when you're doing a conversion is you show the original problem and you set up a fraction. So that's what we're going to do here. So here you see all the templates, okay, all the different templates that you can get. So we can do Greek letters, we can do lots of crazy math symbols here, the traditional greater than, less than, subsets, element of, those kinds of things. And here are some templates for a fraction, radicals, roots, exponents, subscripts, parentheses, everything's in here. All right, so this is going to be your most popular toolbar here. So I need a fraction, and I need 27 pounds, so 27 lbs divided by. Now, the way that the software developers wrote this program or wrote this add-on is that it's designed that you use your right arrow. If you use your right arrow, that will take you to the next field that you need to fill in. Left arrow goes back. So you would think a fraction would be down arrow. No, it's right and left arrow. So when I use my right arrow, now I'm going to put in the square inches. Now to put in the square inches, you do the exponent template. So in the exponent template, we need to do inches, and then again, right arrow, that takes you to the next field, and that's squared. All right. So now right arrow again, and then right arrow, and now you can't see the cursor, but it is right after the fraction. Now I want to put times, and then another fraction. And I think you're getting the hang of this already. Fraction. Now, what's our conversion factor that we're going to use? Well, we want to get rid of pounds and we want to go to kilograms. So 1 kilogram, 1 kg is equal to 2.2 lbs. All right. And then I'm going to put my next conversion factor in here. I need to get rid of inches. So I'm going to do times again and then fraction. Now, to get rid of inches, let's see, we've got our conversion factors. Where are our conversion factors? They're on my formula sheet, okay? So here's my formula sheet, and I see here it says that 1 meter, meters and inches, that's what I want to, that's where I'm trying to get from. I'm getting from inches to meters, so that's 39.37 inches. So if I go back to my conversion assignment, I've got 39.37 inches. That's 1 meter. Okay, but because I have inches squared, I've got to do this twice. So I'm going to do times again, and then put another fraction in here, and I'm going to do 39.37 inches, and that's 1 meter. Oh, that's not. See here, I hit my down arrow instead of my right arrow. Okay, so if you hit your right arrow, it takes you to the next field. Okay, so that's 1 meter. All right, and now I hit my right arrow one more time. Can't see the cursor, but it's there. So equals, and now I'm going to put my answer. Okay, so I put equals 19,022.69, and now I need to type my units here. I need to put kilograms per square meter. So I'm going to do kilograms, lost my cursor there, there we go, kilograms, and then fraction, and then meters squared. So I'm going to use the exponent template. I'm going to do M, hit my right arrow, and square, and that is how you write your answer. Okay, and this is how you're going to submit. You're going to show your work and submit your problems. Okay, just for fun, let's do another problem here. This says 55 miles per hour to meters per second. So I can just, because I've already done an equation, then this toolbar will stay here until you hit this X. So I'm just going to do a new equation, and I'm going to do the 55. I'm going to do a fraction. 55 miles per hour, 1 hour, and then I'm going to do my times, and then fraction again. Let's see, 1 mile is 1,610 meters. So I need to get 1610 meters, that's 1 mile. Okay, and that's on your conversion sheet. Then we want to do times again. And then we need to get rid of hours, so 1 hour, we do the fraction. 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds, like so, and we can hit equals, we can do the math there, and then write our answer. So our answer here is 24.6 meters per second. So we can just do meters/seconds here, and that's it. All right. How about one more? We got kind of a fun problem here. We've got at 8 feet 1 inch, Sultan Kosen is the tallest man on Earth. How tall is he in meters? Okay, so I think here we already have the 1 inch. We want to convert the 8 feet to inches, and then we'll have the total amount of inches, and then we can move that into meters. Okay, in order to convert feet to inches, I'm just going to do this the traditional way here. So I'm going to do another fraction. There is 12 inches in 1 foot, so 12 inches in 1 foot. And that equals, let's see, 8 times 12 is 96. So we have 96 inches. Okay. Now, plus the 1 inch, that's 97 inches. So our problem becomes converting 96 inches into meters. So I can do a new equation. I'm going to do 96 inches times, and then the fraction. You're just going to use my conversion factor for inches to meters. There are 1 meter is equal to 39.37 inches, like so. And then that equals, and we can do that with the calculator, 96 inches divided by 39.37, whatever that is. You can fill that in, and that's how you're going to do that problem. All right, so this is just a quick introduction to how to use Equation Editor to submit your homework. And hopefully it's not too cumbersome. If you run into problems, of course, we're always available via email or Zoom. Hope to see you guys soon.